Good evening and welcome to this very important broadcast. We've had an important week this week. So much has been happening in French Cameroon across the sub African region, and that encapsulates the discussion we'll be having here this evening. Once we are going to examine, as you've seen in our caption, we'll be examining the terrorist activities that are taking place in these two countries. My interest is mostly the Cameroons, but there is a replication, I would say, the same things that happen in neighboring Nigeria are exactly the same things that are happening in neighboring French Cameroon and Southern Cameroons, though in a smaller scale.